Welcome to another episode of Matchday and Anime. After a dreadful performance by our national team, we've decided to take time and actually analyze what happened, guys. Yeah. Let's not today we're not using emotions. We are calm. It's been a few days.
To show that we're different, we also changed settings.
We changed settings. We needed to be calm. Different day, different setting. We have calmed down. We have relaxed. We are analyzing the game.
Yeah.
So today I have Tabang that side, Slow this side, and your host today, Freeman. Let's go. So, gentlemen, tell me something, yeah?
Yeah.
Let's start here. Let's start from the formation. Bafana Bafana versus Mexico.
Yeah.
That formation. 5-3-2, some can say 3-4-2, whichever one.
It's 5-3-2.
Yeah, 5-3-2.
Let's put it
in. Let's put it in. 5-3-2. We had basically 8 defensive players on the pitch and 2 attacking players on the pitch.
Yeah.
We can argue Mukana is in between, but you had...
He's defensive minded.
He's defensive minded, yes. So, where does Bruce get that idea? Where is that formation come from?
The formation comes from him being a coward.
Yeah, true. Hugo Bruce became a coward in that game, and some might argue and say Hugo Bruce will take this game.
Are you saying?
Because there's no way, man. There's no. Because remember, Hugo Bruce told us his mission was to get us to a World Cup.
Yes.
I mean, he has done that. We in World Cup.
Mm-hmm.
He didn't say we're gonna compete in World Cup. He said he's gonna get us to World Cup. He has done his job. So now what he can do, he can just let people play. He doesn't care what's happening.
So he's saying he doesn't care about the results.
He doesn't care, that guy. I mean, man.
But
FIFA, ne?
Yeah.
When you're playing FIFA, you get a red card. Ne?
Yeah.
Usually you sacrifice a forward, then you make a defense.
Yeah.
But there you got a red card, you have already 2 defensive midfielders. That 5 minutes Mokoena was handling it well. Like it didn't even show that we're there.
Yeah.
Then when the first thing that you do, you got nothing to lose if you put on attackers. Nothing to. We are already losing. Then Utata, you take the exact, like it's tit for tat. Ustole is already out. Then you go and take another Stole. You put
Mumbai.
But
wait. But let's start with the information before we get to where Slow is, because that is in game.
Yeah.
Let's get to before the game actually started.
Yeah.
The formation, the game plan.
No,
the people that were there. What is that?
The game plan was simple. The game plan was for us to absorb the pressure, then hit them on the counter.
Since when? My argument is since when do we play such football?
Since a long time ago.
We've never played that football.
Now we've been playing that football.
But we
played that football against Egypt when we beat Egypt.
But Bruce was not there.
But I'm saying like we've been playing that football.
We had wingers.
Yeah.
Since when has South Africa ever played without a winger?
And since when has Bruce played with 5 defenders?
Since he did it last
once.
Yeah.
Against Cameroon.
And what happened?
But we played better than Cameroon.
It played better because Mfukeng is a creative player. That's why it was better.
Yeah.
But this time we had no creative player at all.
I think his theory, he wanted Forster to drop, then Reyners to make the runs.
He's been saying Forster is lazy.
Did he say that? No, but
he said Forster is lazy.
I mean, I hate doing this, but I can actually see where he's coming from with it.
Okay, Tabang, explain. Like I'm trying to understand why in the qualifiers we do not play with that. In our pre-game build up, we did not play with that. Our last competitive game, we did not play like that.
The level is not the same.
I don't deny that.
That's how he took it.
Okay.
The level is not the same. Mm-hmm. And judging with how he went to the formation, he saw that the level is not the same. Our players are not on the same level as their players.
But isn't that disrespecting us? Because now let's understand.
You can
for Bruce to win to win the people over.
Yeah,
he used to say Mzansi is not a country that should be afraid.
Yeah,
it's a country that should play. If this is how they feel they should play, this is how they should play, right?
Yeah,
that's how he built that team.
You can say it's disrespecting or undermining or underrating mindset,
and
but
approach.
also you can say that he's rightfully rating us in the sense that PSL is not. PSL is not a top league.
Okay, but Tabang, okay, I should understand one thing. PSL, Bruce has been saying some players deserve to be playing in Europe. He's been saying Mufokeng deserves to play in Europe. He's been saying Umbogas deserve to be playing in Europe. He's been saying maybe Apolis. I'm not sure about Apolis. He's saying Umukwena is at that level already, right? So he's saying, why would you say these guys are ready to play in Europe top level? And then when it's time to actually compete at that level,
but remember,
you degrade those guys. You make them play a type of football that they've never seen before.
But remember, when let's use that scenario, when they get to Europe, they won't play immediately.
No, but that happens to every player in a new club.
They'll be slowly integrated and they'll be used to the new level. Hugo Bruce, how he saw the game was, this level are not on our level; their level are higher, and how we can win is being defensive. I think he wanted to be defensive in the first half. Going to halftime 0-0 with a draw. Then second half, you saw with these changes, bring on Tembazwane, bring on Apolis. That was his mindset. But I think he was gonna make the changes around the 70th mark there, and then us starting to attack. I mean, I don't blame him with the approach.
I
don't blame him with the approach.
This is what he could have done if he really wanted to attack second half. After he saw that this thing is not working, you saw our weak link was Stole. Stole was out of place. Because the reason why we say Stole was out of space, Stole was the only midfielder that was holding the ball, is Katesid. And doing that, every midfielder that he played with on that game disappeared. Do you remember seeing Adams carrying the ball? Do you remember seeing Mkwena carrying the ball? You only remember them defending. You didn't see them trying to play. No one was playing. Because Ustole Nae was kind of hiding. Because if the formation was 5, it ended up being 6. Because Ustole was in between.
But that is the instruction. That is the instruction. You must drop in between defenders.
And now we have 6 defenders.
The players, I'd say the players disappointed Hugo Bruce a bit.
No. Hugo Bruce disappointed the players.
No, the players
he lost the players' trust in that.
Because
I
feel like the players also
locker room. No, the players also
Tabang. Okay, Tabang, let me understand this.
Disappointed Hugo Bruce.
Bruce has been he's had a certain amount of professionalism that is maintained.
I get that
level of trust with the players. So now, you can't tell me this in build up to the World Cup. We've seen how Mufokeng plays. We've seen how Police plays. We've seen how
we've never seen Mufokeng play for the national team.
No, I understand, but I'm saying for the players. For the players, they know which Mufokeng PSL was doing this. He can do this. Police can do this. Umkwena has been on fire. He can hold that mid. Umkwena and Adams, that formation, they can do this.
2 of them. You don't
These
need
guys,
anyone else.
They maybe the same mentality like Bruce. They build trust around each other.
So guys,
on the last day,
what you're saying is all the blame for that game falls on Hugo Bruce.
Yes, because Tabang,
can't be right.
Your parents right now.
No,
they can't teach you.
But let me say, as a player, there's something that you have to put on the field.
Yes.
That doesn't include tactics and whatnot. Effort. You have to sweat for the shirt. The players were not sweating that much for the shirt.
They were.
They were not.
They were out of place.
You have to sweat for the shirt.
Spisi ended up playing as a right back. Mbogazi playing as a left back.
He
was crossing. He was the one putting in the post more than Umudiba.
Exactly.
Okay.
Then you want them. What do you want them to do?
The players were not
more shots than the striker.
Okay. I'll use the first 5 minutes of the game.
Yes.
There was a play. First 5 minutes where Foster is like, I think it was 2-on-3. 2v3. Is that Hugo Bruce's fault? Hugo Bruce.
It's his fault. You know why?
Foster
hasn't delivered anything from
but the player
he keeps on playing, and his team he can't use what is in Europe. That guy has been relegated twice. He's not even on top 10 top goal scorers go Premier League. They're gonna use Uta is playing in Europe. What is it doing in Europe?
Is at the same level as our strikers?
Renas was better.
Renas was injured. Renas was injured almost half a season, but he's still the top goal scorer in the league.
Where? PSL. So
no,
you wanna
not like
compare-
top South African player,
Yeah,
because
top.
there's Junior Dion, I think
Yeah,
that guy is
yeah.
the top goal scorer.
Yeah.
But
and also Leon. Yeah, Leon.
And then, okay,
But-
coming to that, Mufokeng has the highest stats numbers.
But
Our
Sharp,
it's okay.
I
It's okay
get, I
not
get,
for him
I
to
get
start.
that. I get
he's
that.
young. We
He's
can
young.
argue that he's young.
I
We
get-
can argue.
Okay, now the team is losing, ne? 1-0. You don't have a creative
Ah,
midfielder.
slow.
You don't have
Wait.
a
But
wing.
wait,
Losing is not a problem.
Before-
how we were playing was the biggest issue.
Yeah.
But-
not the loss.
Second
But as
half,
I
we
was
needed
saying-
5
no.
changes. Did you see Brazil?
Immediately.
5 changes.
as I was saying, Hugo Bruce, first 5 minutes, he said, you can say he set up, created a chance. He created an advantage
One
for
chance.
us. No, but if we score that chance,
I'm
it's a
gonna
total.
use his words.
If
I'm gonna use
if
his
we
words.
score,
What is
There's
a chance?
Yes.
if we score that chance, it's a totally different game.
Okay, how many chances did Mexico miss due to that formation? How many opportunities that those guys are supposed to convert?
Is it the formation though? Because I saw
It is the
there's a
formation.
chance. There's a chance that Rowan Williams literally
Saved.
played to opponents.
but
you can't really
no,
blame
but
Hugo Bruce
you
for
can't
that.
take. You can't
you can't-
shift the blame to Williams, because that's how we play.
Yeah,
that's how we
he
play.
plays.
Yes, that's how we play, but not passing an opponent.
But that's how he plays.
That's
It's
how he
something
plays.
he's used
Passing
to.
an opponent.
No, I talk
No,
about the Stolle mistake.
No,
he has
no,
it
no.
Twice.
Oh,
The
yeah.
Wednesday against Tole, then second half, right at the beginning of
Yeah,
Yeah,
he
did
passed an opponent.
Yeah.
And also, there's Twele mistake. You can't blame Hugo Bruce there. We really can't blame him.
Yeah,
Okay,
blame
Sharp,
Hugo
you can
Bruce.
blame Hugo Bruce for putting in
Stolle,
Sitole. Sharp.
he's not even supposed
But-
to be in the pitch, that guy.
But
Because
there's
even
Tole,
injury,
there's
that
Tole that
injury
we
drop before
Nobody knows.
Yeah, it's the injury. That's I was gonna come onto that. There's Tole that we know he doesn't make the mistake there. There's Tole that played in the AFCON
But
2023.
you do
He
know
doesn't-
it's not the first time he makes that mistake, right? It's not the first time.
when-
I
when-
think against I'm not sure if it's Panama.
Ever
Yeah.
since
He made
Tole
the
came
same
back
mistake.
from injury, he hasn't been this Tole that we know.
Made the
So,
same mistake.
He
okay.
wasn't supposed to be on the squad.
Okay. Nah, you can't really say that.
He wasn't.
He's one of the best players.
No.
Hugo Bruce's best
Who's
players.
Tole? His space is because Tole was supposed to be occupied by my boy.
You can't really.
There's so many players in the PSL that
Yeah.
deserve to be in that place than over
yeah.
Over Tole.
Already
we have two-
but-
we have two
but
CDMs.
do you
We have
know-
England,
yeah.
we have
Do
three
you know-
CDMs.
do you know
because Adams can play.
So do you wanna
Adams.
do you want to discredit everything Stolle has done?
I'm not
I'll-
saying
I'll-
everything. That's why I said ever since he came back from injury,
Yeah,
he hasn't
yeah.
been the same.
I'll use
But Tabang, again, it's
this
the same thing.
example.
It's the same thing.
Nah, I'll
They
use
did
this
the same
example.
thing.
Yeah.
Lodge.
No, him. Uzwan.
I'll use this
Uzwan,
example. I'll use this. Yesterday, they were asking Nagelsmann, Germany manager, about Musiala, saying, obviously Musiala is not in form right now. They were asking him, is he going to play? Do you think he deserves to be in the World Cup?
Yeah.
The German coach said that Musiala needs rhythm to be back at his top level,
Yeah.
and the only way he can get into his rhythm is by playing games. And I'm gonna give him game time to gain the match rhythm and to reach that top. Is that not what Hugo Bruce is trying to do with Stolle?
No, now if I understand one thing, Tabang. Musiala, the position that he plays, is not as crucial as
As
Stolle.
Stolle.
Again, I'm not saying a position is as important as the other one in the field, right? But I'm saying we can put Mfukeng or Utembazwan and injury again in form in that position. But
yeah.
we can never take a defensive midfielder and say Simkenisi form.
Because that person needs to be aggressive.
That we need. There
need
can't be
everything
mistakes in that
position.
position. There can't be a mistake.
But if that player is your top player,
But
and
he's
you
not
trust
our
that-
top
not
player.
top.
That's the thing.
He is a top
No,
player.
Kwena
he's
is
not
better.
our top
He
player.
is.
Kwena is
Maybe
better.
it's Tondela's top player in Portugal, but he's not in
second
Mzansi.
division too.
Come on, if you watch Stolle 2023, you can.
This is 2026.
Yeah, but I'm
years
saying
later.
but you're saying he's not a top
It's
player.
like saying Tembazwane, you're putting him on because 2023 did 1, 2, 3. It's old.
I mean,
Okay,
yeah.
when we go back to that, you're gonna ask Hugo Bruce, why didn't you call Lodge? Because Lodge did wonders last year.
I mean, he achieved what he achieved without Lodge. He got to the World Cup without Lodge.
But now we need him.
How do you need him if
We
you got
need
there
him.
without him?
Nakona Lodge.
Okay, Tabang, so are you
we
saying-
have better chances?
Wait,
with
yeah,
Lodge.
How do you know if you got there? How do you know?
Let me ask Tabang this. So when you're saying based on that, which means we should not have a new squad. We should have the same players that Bruce qualified the World Cup.
Abo
with.
Pesitao.
Which means Pesta should be there, Ukekana should be there, Umvala should be there, because those guys they were there with us.
Yeah.
From
No.
the get-go, they were there with us.
Abomayela.
Abomayela, yes.
Yes. What I'm saying is,
Is that what you're saying?
you can't change the whole team.
Yes.
You're not saying the whole
You
team.
can't.
But usithole amangcono makahlale ngaphandle. When we need to defend the lead, then you can put them up by 3.
njengokuthi bekangena kanjani uma-qualifier.
Yes.
That's how he was playing. He wasn't starting with the game.
We know Umbata out.
Yeah.
Usithole
Umbata-
out.
Yeah, Nombata na ungena uma 70 something
We know,
minutes. That-
Mkwena Adam.
But-
bese uqedile ispan sakho. Umuremi na ungena as a substitute. Shainet
Me, I'm disagreeing with the fact that you're putting all the blame on Hugo Bruce.
I am.
On
He
the
is.
blame on Hugo
Because that
Bruce.
guy is a coward.
That is cowardly behavior.
Because there is no way what has Mexico done in the football
I
world
don't- slow.
in this era for you to say I'm gonna go defend against Mexico? Who does Mexico has beside Jimenez?
Remember,
And it's slow to add on what you're saying. Again, I still say Hugo Bruce betrayed trust Yama player. The way Hugo Bruce built that team was they are motivated my player. Actually, know if
Badlala together.
like it's like what they tell you more Jala Tabang. No mundo indoda.
Yeah.
There's the same amount of balls that you have. So what are you afraid of?
Yeah,
Go play. The way you play. It's how Mkwena became how he is.
Mkwena, yeah,
It's
Mkwena.
how the whole team. Like that's how we beat Morocco. Because
Yeah.
we're not scared of this guy. We
Even-
do not give them even an ounce of respect.
Coming to
In
that,
Mexico, why are we giving them respect?
coming to that, yokuthi indoda. I was also watching a clip here, Pirates halftime talk. Do you know why Mfukeng started to shy part to second half? They told them, "Hey Baba, these people they are like you. If they're gonna kill you, also kill them a bit."
It's
Which
how
is the
it
same
goes.
thing.
Yeah.
Hugo Bruce, you can't tell me what today we are playing against Spain. We're playing against Yamal. So which
But-
means Bogazi and Mudiba and Mudao they're gonna be on one side.
but you have to, you have to do that. You have to
stick to your plan.
No,
Make
this-
Spain
yeah.
play to your plan.
I get
you know
that.
how you
Exactly,
win.
Slow.
You know how
I-
you win a game.
Exactly.
You win a game by making the opponent chase you.
I
You don't make them comfortable and be like, okay, come to us. we're gonna play according to your plan.
how did Morocco defeat Portugal?
Because they made Portugal chase them.
No. How did Morocco defeat Spain?
They made them
No,
chase them.
they were
Tabang.
actually
They
sitting
disrupted
deep.
the
They were
plan.
actually
Tabang.
sitting deep.
Because they had a
I
plan.
remember that when was it? It was the World Cup. no?
Tabang, I want to understand something.
It was the World Cup.
I want to understand something.
Yeah.
In Morocco, what you are saying now, Morocco, they are good at that.
Yeah.
They've done it before.
It's
Yeah.
a speed.
It's something that they know that they can do.
Yeah.
And one thing, even if they
are more
defend,
confident.
even if they defend, they have the height to defend against long balls and all those things.
Yeah.
They know how to play
They have
that game.
Hakim that can play every position.
In
Morocco.
Zanti, we can't do that.
But
First
we
of all,
have been doing
we
it.
don't have the pace.
We have
We
been
don't have
doing
the
it.
height. We don't even have the proper game
The
plan.
experience, the
been-
legend.
we've
We don't
been
have
playing a
those.
middle
We don't
block.
have world class players. Maybe they will. Time goes by, but at the moment we don't have world class
Yeah,
players.
and another thing, Mzansi Tabang, it's a team of motivation.
Yeah, it's still building.
No, Sebenza about how we are like if we are motivated enough, we can pull up something. I'm not sure if you understand.
Yeah.
You see,
That's,
if
that's
we
how we're
needed,
seeing and do everything.
Yes.
That thing is for it
Phamisa
build up.
umoya.
But Hugo Bruce, I can tell you, Hugo Bruce, that plan, actually plan alala nayo, look defend. Because if
so besides that,
we're not gonna concede.
it's low. Besides that, the players were not aware of the plan
Yeah.
until game day.
Because they were out of place. Umkwena didn't know
Confused.
udlalaphi. Adam didn't know udlalaphi. The only person that I can see knew ukuthi udlalaphi, maybe by two, we used Tole and Osbis because Osbis experience came in. Because we can't play.
I mean,
Osbisi on
okay,
anything.
sharp. We can't
Mbogazi naye
okay,
played.
Mbogazi
Mbogazi
played
their
well.
position.
Mbogazi played
Yeah,
well.
'cause uke
And
wadlala that
Mbogazi put
position.
effort ukuthi no.
Mbogazi is chasing to be called. He has
I mean,
a lot to play for. And la amanye player,
They don't have a lot
I'm
to
not
play
saying
for.
they don't have a lot, but ama-position abafake kuwo. U-Adams nomkwena, labantu labadlala beyi-2. But the way kade befakwe ngakhona.
It's the
those
roles
guys,
that they were given.
They were confused. Because usithole ula, u-Adam ula, umkwena ula. These two, that I still say they didn't. You don't remember them carrying the ball. The only time I saw Mkwena carrying the ball, abambi ball as a relax, ask any ground, it was when Ustola told the red card. And at that time,
Mara, whose fault is that?
too.
Whose fault is that?
Besi too. That one, Mina, I even say to you that red card. is a blessing now. Look at how we're playing. We even reached Pambil. Bafika bas blockers sangabi neplan. We came back, we didn't lose the ball. We came back, we kept on playing. And the ball went back to Umkwena again. Iplani ya Moshega, because Umkwena was going deeply. Ayenza lento ati yenza ngosithole, but he was doing it better. Going, collecting the ball from Williams, come back, hlanganisi play. Wherever there was ball, Umkwena and Adams were there. But then, coach, abuya substitute, afaka, ukipe banumdibu, afaka umbatha.
Actually, James,
Yabuyela back to zero, that thing.
Let's talk about the red card, your last one. Do you think that was a red card?
Yeah, it's a red card.
It
Like
is
you
a
can
red card.
argue that the
It
player's
didn't
looking
foul.
for it, but he's
Yeah.
the last man. It's 1-on-1 on goal. Like it's a clear red card.
But
It was
but-
gonna be questionable if they didn't give it as a red card.
No, but like now, the rules say
The thing is-
if the opponent, if the victim initiates contact, then it's not a foul.
But the
you
thing
know
is,
this.
the player had
You
full
saw the
control
foul.
of the ball.
It's
Yeah.
exactly like Kubasi's foul against Simeone in the Champions League
Yeah,
final.
yeah,
It's
yeah.
exactly the same. The player is there, is looking for the foul. You're the last man. If it's a foul, the thing is, if it's a foul, it's a red
But
card.
that's the thing. The rule says it's not a foul if the opponent initiates the contact. Ustole he did not do anything.
He did not.
There was no movement.
Actually,
because
There was no
Ustole was trying
movement.
to-
Yeah, he even
Overtake the
tried
car.
to
Yeah.
There was
step
no
out,
movement.
step out.
And then the guy he
I-
left his feet there.
Because one,
Yeah.
one thing I won't take away from Ustol, that red card was the only way to stop him. That thing, I don't blame him for that.
Yeah,
That was
yeah.
good. It was good play. But Inkinga, the chance that he gave away to score.
But so,
Yeah,
but
that
still,
red card,
for
yeah.
me now, I blame him because now at that time we are already losing.
Yeah.
Right.
So you think he should have just let him?
Yeah, like concede 2 goals, we make changes, we try to recover the game rather than being a goal down
But
and a
he-
man down.
Okay,
That is worse than
the
being
same
down.
thing, the same thing.
So
that
he
you
was
saw.
supposed to just let the player go. Because
Yes.
that's the only. Because he tried to defend.
Yes.
Because
like
I feel like
He tried to
Ustole had the same mentality. Now bezokushaba ozoyenza le red card.
'Cause
After conceding a
Yeah.
goal, after making the mistake to concede the goal, then you're gonna let the player
Yeah.
run through.
Yeah.
So he
Yo,
had to
the
do
play-
something.
no, but it
blame
wasn't
was-
his fault. It wasn't his fault.
The blame was going to get.
No, but it wasn't
actually,
his fault.
Actually, it was Sibisi. Because
It wasn't
Sibisi
his fault.
was so
Yeah.
deep.
Yeah,
He was making everyone onside.
Ustole was there because remember how we played. He drops in between
Yeah.
defenders.
Yeah, he was
So
worried.
and that man was his man, so he was following that.
But
that
you saw
side.
how Sibisi,
Yeah,
how
deep
deep
we won't
Sibisi.
forget onside. Because if we're gonna start pointing fingers, we're gonna also end up saying Okoni is to blame. Because
Ocon was
remember,
clean,
no,
bro.
it
Ocon
wasn't
was-
clean.
I-
That red card came from Okoni.
Sibisi,
No,
way. Sibisi,
no.
if
You
he's
think
on the
explain
line,
it?
if
Yeah,
he's
yeah.
on the
You
line,
think explain
With
it
his other
how?
defenders,
You think
then-
explain it. I need to Umbogazi was that side. Okoni won the ball. After winning the ball, obviously Unalia Rush which had just won the ball and ufuna ukungena phakathi. Uma engena phakathi they closed him in. Then Asha is turned. Uma Asha is turned, Umbogazi is too far from the player. Le abayimakhile. Umudiba is that side nayo Okoni. They're sitting like this, which caused ukuthi Ustole a drop a deep. Ne, you can argue ngosibisi ole
He was
but-
in no man's land.
but Ocon, remember as a centre back upushile.
Yeah.
A centre back or a wing back upushile or forward, you must make sure ukuthi a mistake that you make it doesn't turn into counter attack. A mistake that you make is either it's a throw in or it's a goal kick. It doesn't come back direct. But Ocon yena ube nesibindi sokushaya isithende in the middle part out of position.
Okay.
Shaya isithende balpoke.
And then let's
It
move
led
to
to a red card.
father of the nation, the grandfather of the nation,
Themba
Zwa.
Zwa. You know what I hated? I was
What
with
happened?
you.
What happened?
We were watching the game.
We're watching the game. It's time. Where's that place?
Tigers something.
Yeah, Tigers.
Chicken Tigers. Yeah.
Tigers.
Yeah,
Tigers.
but now,
we- nah, is it-
now we're advertising. But hey, it's fine. They don't even pay for.
So we're there, you must see and the team people are quiet, like you can see what people
You know.
are frustrated, they don't know what to do. Everyone is insulting Hugo Bruce left and right and center, including
And I'm
us.
there defending the guy, like yo.
So
And it's actually in the
so Themba's one number 11 jersey comes up. People start singing.
Themba Zwa. Yo. Hey, well, I was so annoyed.
Like,
boy.
No, but-
that's
but-
the reason why
No,
Bafana
but guys-
won't go forward. We
Because-
praise people Okay, he might deserve the praise,
He-
but
he-
it wasn't. It
no.
wasn't the time. It wasn't the right
He
time.
actually does deserve the praise.
Yeah,
but
but it
come
wasn't the
on,
right
guys,
time.
come. He's not gonna do a thing.
That game didn't need.
We didn't need speed.
If you're gonna
like we needed speed there. Like Themba Zwane was. I know. I understand why he put him on because he wanted more control of
he
the
wanted
ball.
control.
But Themba Zwane was. It's
But-
not the Themba Zwane.
But
fault.
Uzol control no ban.
No, guys, I think you are not looking at this the right way. The main problem with that Chambers one sub was Ungene without support.
Yeah, Ungene one.
To play with dead people.
Yeah.
Like dead legs.
There's no one.
Ungene is one.
There's no one.
Ungene one two no Mudiba. Mudiba was dead.
There was a time where he made a tackle, ne? It was
Oh.
successful, but not successful. Because we shyile still
Oh.
away like Gumund. Then
So-
when it was time to stand up, yo.
We know when he killed me. When he dribbled the guy,
Bye
the guy
bye.
and he got a second attempt, and he tried to do the same thing.
And then becomes a goalkeeper. Like
And,
like,
the worst thing I think for
Yo.
is
come on.
Umbogazi had better crosses, had better take-ons than Umundi.
Amarambogazi. You saw that shot on target.
I did.
Dog, like it didn't even step back.
Oh, wait.
Shot.
And he was so far out. I'm like, this guy is
That's
too
how
much.
they keep up.
Okay, but
if it was close.
let's come back to Uzwani. I'm saying
Yeah. But
the issue with Uzwani, what was supposed to happen? It was supposed to be 4 changes
Yeah.
when Zwane
Yeah,
came
yeah.
on. You were supposed to come in with fresh legs. Then you was going to do something. Something was going to happen. But you can't put Uzwane Aksum to Kichiman. It doesn't run with the ball.
Yeah.
The ball stays with him for 2 seconds. He moves it to someone else. Someone else gives it back to him. He moves. He's a player that moves off the ball. That's how he plays. But you can't put him on with players that have already lost hope.
Yeah.
They are no longer motivated to go forward. They're just to push their time so they full 19 and we go home.
Because even okay, if was a keeper Umudi, but then you say you need a defender, put a defender like Uspelebe.
Spelebe.
Or
And
cross,
actually-
or
in fact,
cross,
no,
or
no,
cross, because cross runs.
But he's not
I'll
defensive.
I'll say this. For the role that Hugo Bruce wanted Mudau to play, I think Sibelewele was much suited for that role. A wing back.
Yeah.
Sibelewele is a
Yeah.
much better wing back than
Than
Mudau.
But
Mudau.
Mudau.
But
But Mudau.
Not Mudau.
But Mudau is a better defender than Usbelebe.
Usbelebe,
But
yeah.
So
what-
for a game plan where you are scared, you need to defend. You can't put someone who's better with offense rather than defense because your
But-
game plan is to defend.
But it was gonna
no.
be balanced. That's how.
Yeah.
That's how. That side of Mbogazi, you put Spelebele there. No one will pass. Spelebele has pace. Umbogazi will cover. When Mbogazi covers, Uspelebele goes behind.
But already so that
Always
defeats.
gonna-
If Umbogazi now has to cover, that defeats the whole purpose of the game plan.
No,
Those
but-
wing backs, they're not there to be offensive, honestly speaking.
Yeah, but Marama.
So you can't put an offensive player if you want to defend.
Hugo
That is the
Bruce
that is the main
defeated
Okay,
that is the
okay,
that is
okay.
the
Hey,
main
guys.
problem.
Yeah, wait, like I think we spent too much time on this, so I think now we should. Yeah, the game is done. We lost. We didn't play well. Hugo Bruce plan didn't work. If it worked, maybe we'd be talking a different story right now. Going forward,
But it didn't work. Yeah.
going forward, what changes? What should change?
No, there shouldn't be any changes. We should just reset to default settings.
Yeah.
How we've been playing, how we played. 4-3-3. Well, we want to play
But
4-3-3 holding
we-
attack.
4-4-2.
We've been playing 4-2-3, 4-2-3-1.
Yeah, but 4-2-3 it translates to 4-3-3 because
Yeah,
now
yeah.
remember
But
we have 2
with the number
midfielders.
10.
We have 2 midfielders and an attacking midfield,
Yeah,
which is similar to 4-3 attack.
4-3, yeah.
4-3 is 2 8s, but yeah, I get what
You
you're
get,
saying.
you get what I'm saying? Because now you can go back to whatever it is: Mudiba, Mbogazi, Okon, Mudau,
Okay.
Adams, Mukwena.
Okay. Who's our number 10?
Fukeng, Zwane is out. Fukeng, Apolis. Who do we have here? I don't want Tapelo Maseko. I saw people.
Maseko should play.
No,
Maseko should play.
I'm thinking of what we have.
Moremi.
Muremi is actually
Maseko-
better.
no, Muremi is
They
better
can,
than
Reina.
they can
Maseko.
interchange Muremi
And again, guys, for me, I don't believe Muremi should be there, right?
Yeah.
But for the fact that these guys, Apolis, Mfukeng, and Muremi, they've
Yeah,
been playing together the whole
yeah.
season.
Yeah.
Let's just give them that.
But Moremi is better. Maseko is better than Moremi.
No.
I actually agree with your lineup. but Maseko over Muremi.
Guys, Maseko is another story. We can't be calling players to our team just because they play in Greece,
No,
just because they
it's not
play in
even
Portugal,
that. I think
just
it's
because they
the
play
profile, the profile of
plays
Maseko.
with that Mexican goalkeeper.
Ochoa.
The profile of Maseko.
You don't even care.
The profile of Maseko.
That guy Maseko can't even beat a play. He always does the same. He always does this with the ball. Why? See this movement? You're gonna remember when he does that. Why? It's not gonna be a person.
Yeah.
But no.
Wait,
Wait, just to confirm.
The striker.
I said Reina. So it's Mudiba.
Yeah.
Mudiba also, that's because he's been there for a while.
Yeah,
so I don't know that risk. But Mudiba, Mbogazi, Okon,
Yeah.
Mudau, Mukwena, Arans, Mfukeng, Apolis, Renas, Murem.
Not Muremi, Maseko.
I agree with him. We are on beside Mudiba. Cross is a better defender.
But don't you think it's risky, man? Like, I want to know, West, we lost the first game, guys.
Yeah.
We can't.
But the thing is, Mudiba last
can't.
match, he couldn't deliver defensive or offensive. So why do we keep him?
Maybe Bruce just doesn't want to do it.
Yeah.
You know how Bruce, especially the Kaizer Chiefs player.
If you want
he's not gonna do
offensive,
that.
then put Spellevel.
But things, we don't know how he is when he left.
Yeah.
We don't want to just Siemens a bit disabled. Imagine cross it. He now has to cut back in. So they are shy in swing, and we don't want that.
True.
And that delay can cause we can lose a game.
Mina nje into engayiseta that since this game less was sure, I'm sure the whole South Africa is looking forward to it.
Yeah.
Then the substitution uzothanda Foster.
Substitution should be Mahopa.
Yeah,
As always.
Imzansi played better when Mahopa was in because besasingasena plan a long balls. Mahopa could make something a long ball, even though behangena support, but he was winning every long ball. So substitution Mahopa,
So
Maseko.
Do you guys think we are making it out of the group?
Yeah, man. Like,
Nami, I see Czech and Mexico not making it. Honestly,
no, I mean, I see us winning the two games because
South Korea.
Like Czech Republic, I put them on high regard, right? After watching them play, it's a third team, or Imzansi has.
because
he has reached their level.
South Korea.
One thing about
Korea.
Imzansi. One thing that I know about Imzansi, if you're gonna check, maybe going with AFCON, we might complain about Sapuma early go AFCON, but the truth is we met a strong team.
Yeah.
And that team as keeper, you can say that team can beat South Korea. That team, even though it's a different, I team is shy, the team got Ahmad. Cameroon. Okay, Umboem, we're shy.
Yeah.
Okay.
Umboem. So we are playing against high level people. So I can say
did you see South Korea?
Yeah, I know South Korea. Every World Cup is like that.
That team is too technical.
So
that team is too technical for us to
okay,
beat.
I think
we can't even press that team. We won't even be close to pressing that team.
With Imzansi is it's a team that adapts. If you put them in their comfortable places, it adapts to a level yama opponent. So if you're playing against a high pressing team, a high speed team, we can do that. That's when we absorb pressure and counter.
But you didn't want to do that.
We didn't want to do that because you're doing it with wrong players. We don't have running players. So Shai can't have
you can absorb the thing. But Mfukeng dropping back. With the players that we have dropping back, then we can attack. But there's nothing that you can absorb if everyone is defensive. We're not Atletico Madrid. We don't have Theo Coutinho in that thing. We don't have Coutinho for those things. We're gonna win.
South Korea plays with pace. So that's the team we can say, okay.
So the next two games. Yeah. What do you see? A win and a win, or a win and a draw?
And a win and a draw.
I saw a win and a draw.
A win and a draw, and then we hope Mexico
loses.
Is professional and wins all of their games.
Mexico.
Yes. Because now remember, if Mexico beat both Czech,
they won't. And they're not that good.
Mexico is not that good.
South Korea is the one that will top the group.
So are you saying Mexico is going to lose to Korea?
Yeah.
They should
lose to Korea.
But then now if they lose to Korea, which is not going to get out because head-to-head Mexico is shy.
But Czech Republic, that one will be tight.
No,
That will-
let's just say we beat Czech.
Czech Republic against Mexico will be the decider of who gets out of this group.
Because that's the last game.
Yeah.
So this group might.
Why won't South Africa versus Korea be decided if Korea is that powerful? Because remember, if you can beat Korea, that means the whole dynamic of the group changes. If Korea did beat Czech Republic, we also beat Czech. Now
Yeah.
Korea needs, let's just say, but draw like
The
this,
thing
let's
is,
see.
I was saying
We don't need a
Mexico
Hungary.
and Czech Republic, because I was thinking we're gonna beat Czech Republic
Yeah.
on Thursday. Then on the next game against South Korea, we're gonna draw that. So now we are on 4 points.
Yes.
So if Mexico draws against Czech Republic or they loses against Czech Republic, then we have. Do we? No, we don't. So they have to lose against Czech Republic.
And
So
Mexico
if they
must
lose
draw.
against Czech Republic, so we are now second.
Guys, just let us know what you think. Because you see now the English that was just spoken now.
And then one
I
thing,
bet you are now taking out your calculator as well.
One
We are
thing.
busy
You know, we
calculating
don't
points.
need-
one thing, ne, kumele say avoid. We don't need a desperate South Korea. We don't need to face a desperate South Korea.
But we
Yeah,
have to.
that-
It's
We
the
need
last
to
game.
Yeah,
Okay,
we need
okay.
to face a South Korea that is already qualified.
Yeah, if South
But
Korea
guys-
wins their next game, then it will be easy for us because South Korea would have
But
already
guys,
qualified.
if we can beat Czech Republic, we are like Mzansi.
Yeah.
Chances are Mexico can do the same as well. So if Mexico so if
So
we
we're
beat,
not going out
if
then.
we beat Czech Republic, which means Czech Republic is out, they have nothing to play for in their last game against Mexico.
they have pride to play for. You
No!
can't, you can't you can't lose everything.
No,
the World Cup.
Tabang, you have to understand one thing. Pride or not, different players are going to be on the pitch if we beat Czech Republic.
Yeah.
So if we beat the Czech Republic,
And high chances are those players who want to show which why were you putting me on the bench.
but chances are Mexico is going to beat them.
But
Mexico is not that good.
Especially if
Yeah,
Mexico lose.
We made them look good.
It's not good in Mexico. Connor, this other guy that's
We made
saying
them
good
look
in
good.
Mexico, even if Mzansi were to put a good formation, even if we were to play better than Mexico, each and every opening match, a host that doesn't lose. That doesn't happen.
Mara,
Doesn't
we
lose.
made them
Look at
look
South Arabia. It only won against Argentina. And it won because opening match.
Yeah.
Mzansi didn't lose opening match. It was a draw.
Yeah.
Name one nation that has ever lost an opening
I
match
think,
as
I
a
think
host.
Qatar. I think Qatar lost.
They didn't draw. I think they drew.
Qatar.
Yeah.
I think they're the first.
Oh, they
nation-
lost. Did they not win?
Or I think they're the first nation to get eliminated after South Africa when they are the hosts.
Yeah.
But anyway, guys, let us know what you think, man. Because now you see, and again, you guys were judging Mzansi's 2010. You're saying Mzansi used to always using calculators and all those things. But even with our best players, we're still going to be using calculators. Nothing has changed.
Nothing has changed.
But anyway, let us know what you think. Do you think we're going to make it out in the group? Let us know in the comments. Like, subscribe, follow, and check us out in our social medias
Yeah.
for short clips instead of long videos. We're there on TikTok, we're there on
And
Facebook,
hit that subscribe button, guys. Don't
we're
just
there on
watch.
Twitter,
follow.
and we're
worry.
there on WhatsApp as well.
You see, okay, I actually want to say this. For sure, the guys were wondering, why have we not been posting for that long? The guys, we had a real fight with our management. The fight was that we're not pulling through enough subscribers. So they wanted to get new guys. We had to fight the contracts and whatnot. So they gave us a second chance.
So please, guys,
Please subscribe, guys.
Please subscribe.
Our lives are on the line. Subscribe, guys.
hit that subscribe
Comment.
button.